here is where I was born.
Oh, nice.
I'm the only one that was born at home.
Okay.
Amen. Yo, I'm soon link you. And you know who used to come here
Who's that?
to visit us when we were small? The Kennedys.
Oh, President Kennedy. Okay.
The sisters.
Okay.
Them are my grandmother and my grandfather. I never get to ask the relationship.
Right. Nice.
What was that?
He said the Kennedy family.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
His
they used to
family
visit
with them.
my grandma right here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. My grandmother was an aristocrat. Buckshot.
So that's all.
Buckshot.
This is only part 1. Stay tuned for more footage on how and where we wildcraft our herbs ourselves from different parishes within Jamaica. Soon come. Like and follow for more content on our journey with natural healing and herbs and raising our family to honor the Most High Creator of all things. Peace.